Hello students, we are studying for science in gravitation. In this video, we will study Earth's gravitational force. Let's understand this concept with the help of this example. If we throw a stone upward, then why doesn't the stone move up all the time? Why does it fall down after reaching certain height? This is because the Earth attracts every object near it towards itself because of the gravitational force. The center of mass. What is center of mass? Center of mass is a point representing the mean position of the matter in body. So this center of mass of Earth is situated at its center. So the gravitational force on any object due to the Earth is always directed towards the center of the Earth. Because of this force, object falls vertically downward on the Earth. Now, will the velocity of stone thrown vertically upward remain constant, or will it change with time? And how will it change? When we throw a stone vertically upward, this force tries to pull it down and reduces its velocity due to this constant pull. The velocity becomes zero after a while. The pull continues to be exerted and the stone starts moving vertically downwards towards the center of the Earth. That is the reason that object falls down after reaching a certain height. We know that according to Newton's law of gravitation, every object attracts every other object. Thus, if the Earth attracts an apple towards itself, the apple also attracts the Earth towards itself with the same force. Why then does the apple fall towards the Earth, but Earth does not towards the apple? Actually, the Earth and apple move towards each other, but the mass of the Earth is greater than that of an apple. Hence, the magnitude of the acceleration of Earth is negligible relative to that of apple. Now students, is there a gravitational force between two objects kept on a table or between you and your friend sitting next to you? If yes, why don't the two move towards each other? Yes, there is gravitational force between two objects kept on table or between you and your friend sitting next to you. Two objects kept on a table do not move towards each other because there is a force of friction between each object and table. Similarly, because there is force of friction between our body and the floor. And that is the reason that you and your friend do not move towards each other. So students, this all is because of force of friction. Now what is force of friction? Friction is the force resisting the relative motion of objects sliding against each other. Okay, now do you know that Earth exerts gravitational force on Moon? Thus Moon also exerts gravitational force on Earth. And because of this force, the level of water in the sea changes and water directly under the Moon gets pulled towards the Moon and level of water there goes up, causing high tide at that place. At two places on the Earth at 90 degrees from the place of high tide, the level of water is minimum and low tides occur there. So students, these high tides and low tides occur at regular intervals twice a day and they occur at different times at different places. So students, this was the concept of Earth's gravitational force, which is given in your textbook, and these are some possible questions based on this concept. I hope you have understood this concept, and if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.